In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Teams or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can communicate and collaborate smoothly from day one. First, you can use Microsoft Teams right in your web browser or download the desktop app. The web version is quick to access and great if you're on a shared device. The desktop app offers the best performance, richer notifications, and tighter integration with your computer. Whichever you choose, sign in with your work, school, or personal account, and allow microphone and camera access if you plan to make calls or join meetings. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the navigation bar. This is your control center where you'll find the key tools you'll use every day. You'll see sections like activity, chat, meet, communities, and calendar. Depending on your setup, some names may vary slightly, but the core idea is the same. Everything is organized so you can quickly move between conversations, meetings, groups, and your schedule. When you want to talk one on one or with a small group, head to chat. Start a new conversation, type the person's name, and send your message. You can add emojis and files to make your message clear and engaging. If a chat turns into something that needs a quick discussion, you can escalate to an audio or video call right from the same place. For meetings, go to the Meet section. Here you can create a meeting link to share instantly, schedule a meeting for later with a title and time, or join using a meeting ID. Before joining, check your camera and microphone and pick your audio device. If you're hosting, consider setting meeting options in advance, like who can present, to keep things organized. If you manage groups or events, Communities helps you bring people together. Create a group, give it a clear name and purpose, invite members, and post updates. You can also organize events within a community to keep everyone on track and informed. Your calendar shows upcoming meetings and events, including those you've recorded. From here, you can open meeting details, join with one click, and review times across time zones to avoid conflicts. Finally, the activity section is your notification hub. This is where you'll see mentions, replies, and updates across teams. Use filters to focus on what matters and adjust notification settings to stay informed without getting overwhelmed. With these basics, you're ready to use Microsoft Teams confidently and efficiently.